Hi there. Welcome to Digital Masters Hub. I am Bharti Sharma and today I will discuss what are the major changes to focus in 2020 in terms of SEO, what problems they pose and how you can overcome those challenges as an SEO. Let us start the video. Google has come a long way since its early days, evolving in terms of how it ranks websites. Earlier, webmasters could get away with stuffing keywords and performing spammy link building tactics. But then Google rolled out different algorithms like Hummingbird, Penguin updates, and a bunch of different algorithms and started penalizing such black hat practices. We have seen that Google has been improving its ranking algorithms consistently, with some that made minor tweaks and others that shook up the SERP. And it will continue to do the same to improve its user experience. With that said, let's talk about what is going to change, or rather what changes to focus on in 2020 in terms of search engine optimizations. And as an SEO, how you can change your strategies to stay on the top of your game. Point number 1 to focus on is SERP real estate distribution. I remember after launch of Google AdWords in year 2000, in its early days, ads used to have a distinctive look with yellow highlights on it. And then it kept changing toward less and less standing out from the organic results. The number of ads also increased from 1 to 2 ads to 4 to 5 ads now. Google introduced rich snippets in 2009 and local 3 map pack results in 2014. What does all this mean? All this means that organic results are getting less and less real estate and also pushed down the fold. Top of the fold, which usually attracts more clicks, is taken away by Google Ads, map packs and rich snippets. And as a result, the click share of organic results is going down and down. Number 2, the traffic coming from organic search is going to decline. This is because most of the clicks are taken away by ads and rich snippets above the fold. Another reason is because people get answers to their search queries from the direct answers or rich snippets on SERP itself. For example, if you search for information about flight, it answers you on the SERP itself, where you can give date range and change destination without clicking through to any website. Or if you search about weather, it shows you results in the search bar itself. Same with searching about calculations, definitions, sports scores, meanings, even descriptive explanation, and much more. So, it is clear that the traffic from organic results will keep declining as people will not need to click through to a website and find answers. Is this bad? Not really, because by providing the ready answer on SERP, Google is improving user experience. And it is also not necessarily bad for websites either. Because if a user is only looking for information, then anyway the user is not going to convert into a lead even after landing on your website. Point number 3, importance of keywords will become obsolete. Yes, you heard me right. At least usage of keywords as we have been understanding till now will completely change. With the launch of the Google BERT algorithm in late 2019 and its incorporation into ranking along with feature snippets algorithm, Google has made search all about user intent and fulfilling users' needs. Looks like natural language processing, or NLP, is going to be focused more by Google in the coming times. So, where rich snippets, or what is called the zero results, and Google Ads are expanding and Google organic results are shrinking on SERP, how can you protect yourself as SEOs? How can you derive value out of your hard work? How could you still reach out to your target market with your blog or piece of content that you created investing so much time and hard work? Here are my tips for SEOs to work smart and win the game in 2020. Tip number 1. Adopt an omnichannel approach. Do not depend on Google's organic traffic only. Adopt an omnichannel approach, meaning don't just be a blogger. Repurpose your content for different channels. So for example, if you have a blog post, make a video using the same content. Extract the audio and make audio clips too. Or the best way would be to organize your content creation in a way that it becomes easy to have the same piece of content in many formats. For example, create a video first so you will naturally get audio created with it. And with little tweak into the script, you can convert it into a blog post as well. And promote these content on different channels like social media, podcast, email, push notifications, etc. Diversify your channels as much as possible because there are more than 1.6 billion websites and there are only 10 spots on the first page of Google. It is not enough to just stick to 1 or 2 social media channels now. Reach out to all the channels where your target audiences are available. Use social media management tools and schedule your social media content in advance and incorporate automation in your content distribution to amplify your content. To schedule and automate social media management, use tools like Social Pilot. Social Pilot is not just a social media post scheduling tool. It can almost autopilot your social media platforms as it helps you discover the most important content and schedule them directly to your account with RSS feeds and content curation. This will help you reach out to new audiences. And to make the most out of your existing traffic, use push notifications. Push notification is an innovative way to bring back your site visitors and retain them. How many people who visit your site come back? Most of them don't, right? With push notification, just on a click, your site visitors will be subscribed to receive a browser notification when you publish a new post, and that way they keep coming back to your site. Push notification is easier because your visitors do not have to fill in their email ID in a form or anything. So, set up a push notification on your site to make sure to bring back your site visitors. You can use tools such as Push Engage or Push Crew to set up push notifications. Tip number 2. Enhance your website for more CTR. To attract more clicks, write compelling titles. Write click-worthy meta descriptions. Don't just include keywords in your title and meta descriptions just for the sake of it. The best way is to try to appeal to the user's intent using the keywords in your title and meta descriptions. Use Schema Markup on your website to outperform your competitors on search engine result pages. You can make your website look more attractive on SERP using schema showing additional information such as reviews, FAQs, prices, timings, etc. Not only that, with added schema, your site will take more real estate on SERP compared to other results that are not using schema. If you are not technically pro, use the WordPress plugin called SCHEMA Pro. It is simple to use, and with this plugin, you can almost automate schema on your website. Tip 3. Enhance your website for conversion. With Google providing most answers through rich snippets, your website will end up getting less traffic anyway. So don't just aim to provide information on your site. Along with valuable information, optimize your website for more conversion. Because it is not traffic that matters, it is the conversion that matters for most businesses. So, traffic plus conversion is equal to success. Incorporate conversion optimization into your SEO strategy. To build an email list of your website visitors, use ConvertPlug WordPress plugin. This plugin is all-in-one email list generation plugin. It provides highly customizable pop-up forms that you can use site-wide to build your email list easily. You can also use the opt-in Panda WordPress plugin. This plugin is more effective because with this plugin you can lock in your premium content behind a pop-up form and reveal the content only after a user fills in email and subscribe. You can skyrocket your subscription rate by leveraging your content and providing in-content freebies only to the subscribers. Tip number 4. Aim to target specific questions in your content, not just keywords. As we discussed earlier in this video about the BERT algorithm updates and search is becoming user intent driven rather than keyword driven, smart SEOs will create content around user intent. Aim to target specific questions in your content, not just keywords. Think of long form questions as people naturally ask. The usage of keyword tool will not be directly relevant in coming times. You can use keyword tools to get an idea of search volume around a specific topic rather. Visit the website called Answer the Public to get an idea of what kind of questions people are searching for around your topic. This website will provide you all kinds of questions around a keyword that people are searching for. You can pick relevant questions from this website and answer those questions around your content. You can also observe your real customers and understand what they need from you. What are their questions around your product or services? Try and respond to the needs of your customers. Match your content with the user intent rather than a search query. I hope that this information is useful to you. If you think of any other way to enhance SEO efforts in 2020, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.